And from the modelers, it is a pair of Super GT R35s for the 500 series of the Japan Super GT series. It's the Calsonic and the Motel R35s. Remember, these are the Resin kits from the modelers, and they are here in the garage, and we're going to take a look at them today. We're going to cover both kits in the same video. Obviously, I believe there's only going to be maybe a few differences between the two, so I'll cover those. But I believe the majority of the kits are going to be the same, so we'll cover the different decal sheets and whatnot. But it's going to be 2-in-1. What's in the box? So let's get to it. And getting started, there is a look at, it's going to be the Motel version. As you can see there, that is, and there is the Calsonic kit. And a couple of the interior pieces will be the interior bucket. Pretty basic, just basically a box of styrene with some stuff cut out of it. And this is going to be the rear shelf piece here. While we're at it, we'll take a look at the chassis plate. And here we have the wheels and the tires. We'll start with the wheels. There are the wheels. This is for the, I believe this will be the Calsonic version. And if you notice, there's how they're molded, how they're done. The tires, as you can see, that lip goes up in there. Inside there. I can't put it in there because I need to do some trimming on the inside. I need to remove those little nubs in there to get the wheels to go in. And there are the tires. Not real throw with the tires, but it is what it is. We'll just have to deal with it. So those are the wheels, and the tires is the one that rolls away. And here we have the wheels for the Motel version. And now we're going to take a look at some of the parts that are going to be the same in both kits. Up first, your clear parts pieces, which are already have the trim painted in there. They may look a little frosty. That's just because they have carrier films on them to protect them. So those are the window pieces, the clear parts. Instead of PE, we have some brass pieces. See, there's a grill hiding back there. As the it's called photo etch, and metal axles and screws to hold. And first, we're going to take a look at the decals and all the decal pieces for the Calsonic. So first, you have this sheet right here. I'm not 100% sure what those go to or what those are for, but they're basically looks like they're foil decals, foil printed. We have the normal markings for the R35 there. And I believe these are going to be obviously mirror faces. And let's get to the decal sheet. Big. Kind of hard to see because it's white decals printed on white back decal paper. So up here, they're kind of cordoned off in sections, which is kind of cool. Here, this is going to be the front section, including the hood. I know, very hard to see. This section will be, there's going to be the roof section, as well as the part of the windshield banner. Over here will be one side, or no, I'm sorry, the rear section. This will be the ass end. Over here, this is going to be the right side, and then over here the left side. Okay, I gotta kind of admit, that is pretty cool, folks. How they broke it down, the decal sheet for each section of the car. That is pretty fucking cool. It's part of my language, but that is cool. So that is the Calsonic. And now we're on to the Motel kit. And we'll start with we have some more foil printed decals. I don't mind my thumbprints or whoever's thumbprints. That's going to be for the back window. Yeah, I gotta look and see what those foil pieces are for. So there's that foil piece, and again, just like in the Calsonic, you have the emblems and mirror faces. So now let's get to the decal sheet. This one should be a little more easier to see because it. Yeah. So we'll start up here with the hood section. Zoom out a little bit, you can see it. There we go. It's the hood section. There's going to be the, oh jeebus, roof trunk section. The ass end section here. This one's throwing me a curveball. That's going to be, I believe that's going to be the left side. Now, and the right side. And we'll wrap this up now, taking a look at the instruction sheet. So you can see you have the Calsonic here and the Motel there. Here's your parts layout. Same for the Calsonic. Nice color decal layout. Glad this is catching on. Nice to see the full color decal placement. Same with the Motel. Apparently, it is up to you to figure out how to build the rest of the kit. The any type of instructions that normally are included are gone. So that's about it. I guess you're on your own to figure out what pieces go where, but it should be pretty easy to figure it out. So with that little bombshell, that is a look at the modelers, the Super GT 500 series R35 Motel and Calsonic kits. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.